So here at Play and Learn, our philosophy is based around play and child choice. Play and Learn was very thoughtful about what technology to implement within the services. And we had a bit of a think tank amongst educators and felt that small iPads or technology like that would be too difficult to monitor with 23 children in a room. The interactive whiteboard allows children to work together around the whiteboard for their learning.
I feel the BenQ Board has helped my children within this room learn, as it has helped them to be collaborative learners. My children before were very much just play on their own and they just kind of did their own thing, whereas this has really helped them to be able to communicate, share, turn take, and really understand how to turn take and do that on their own.
But they've also had their ideas and thoughts provoked by more learning. And when I say that, I mean by being able to explore new things, being able to investigate things as they've talked about it in their play, and we've been able to go straight to the interactive whiteboard and say, well, actually, I don't know what that looks like. What does a diamond-head python look like? We've been able to look at it straight away.
I only know certain things about certain things, and being able to research stuff or get different programs from different places and be able to share that with the children has been amazing.
Especially my children, who still have a few years until it's school time, it's given them the confidence to be able to engage in such certain situations, to explore new things, and it's empowering them to learn more. It's giving them the confidence to actually want and know to know more.
Technology empowers children to learn and grow because it's visually appealing for them. They want to do it. They want to be accessible. They want to engage with the interactive whiteboard. They want to have a go. And so there's great successes built into the interactive whiteboard games that allow them to be successful. And when they're successful at something, you want to give it another go. And that's how the BenQ is absolutely priceless in bringing children to the board.
I feel the engagement within the room has definitely increased. The children are more willing to learn and they want to sit, and it captures their interests.
Whiteboards and Pinboards and BenQ have been imperative in the setup of Play and Learn centres. We have so many whiteboards throughout our services so that my walls don't become pinboards. And we have interactive whiteboards in all of our classrooms. Without the reps from both companies, we would not be where we are today in our beautiful environment set up for children.
I would 100% recommend the interactive technology to everyone that will listen, including early childhood centres.
With the right support from the right reps, it is easy to use, and children just have so many benefits within the day.
To see a child having fun while they learn is the best feeling in the world. Gives you that warm and fuzzy feeling on the inside. It makes you smile from ear to ear. To know that you have made an impact in their life changes everything.